Welcome to Emilak Online tutorial. Now before us is this interesting exponential equation, and here it reads that x raised to x, then that equals to 3, and we are asked to evaluate x raised to x plus 1. Alright, so how do we go about it? Now this is very easy, so let's get started. Now from the question, what do we know? We know that x raised to x equals 3. Okay, so let's then come up with this. And here we have x raised to x plus 1. Okay, now this is a power tower, okay, which means that we need to come from the top. We need to resolve this from the top downwards. Okay, so first of all, we just need to do first is to resolve this first. And how do we do that? Let us recall that when you have a raised to m plus n, now this gives us a raised to m times a raised to n. Okay, now the first thing we need to look at is this by resolving this, that is by simplification. So by simplifying, take note, you have x raised to x plus 1. Now this one is just synonymous to this, so which means we can actually replicate it as x raised to x times x raised to 1. Okay, so here we have it, that x now raised to x raised to x times x raised to 1. Alright, now another thing we need to do is, we can see from here that this x raised to x is 3. Please don't make the mistake of resolving this and this, okay, because we are actually evaluating it from the top downward. Alright, so let's resolve this first, and by doing that we end up having x raised to 3. Why? Because we know from the question that x raised to x equals 3, then times x raised to 1. Now the question now is, how then do we resolve this x and the base here? Okay, now let us also recall that according to the law of indices, that when you have x, okay, raised to mn, now since these two are commutative, which means each of them can replace their respective position. Now what do I mean by that? It means if I have a times b, this is the same thing as saying b times a. So if that is true, it means that this can be written as x raised to n times m, right? Okay, now if in this case I can also say that x raised to m or raised to n, since m and m are commutative in nature, so it means I can write this as x raised to n or raised to what? M. Okay, now if that is true, let us apply this rule to this, mostly this one in particular. Okay, so now let's do that. So here we have, this is x raised to 3. Take note, let me just put it as this, or raised to x. Okay, so applying this rule now, we can now say this is x raised to x, okay, then all raised to 3, and that's because 3 and x are commutative. Okay, so with this point, at this point now, we can also replace our x raised to x for 3, okay, which now give us 3 all raised to what? 3, which is the same thing as saying 3 raised to 3 giving us 27 as the final answer. Please don't fail to share this video with other learners. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.